Hello, my name is Stone. I'm a senior student majoring in industrial design and new media at University of Illinois. Here today, I'm excited to share our page competition idea with my teammate Leo.
Hi, I'm Leo. I'm a sophomore studying industrial design.
In our project, we identified the potential of stretch robot to address household hygiene challenges. Based on our research and user interviews, we found that many older adults face a mobility issue when cleaning their homes, such as back pain from prolonged standing or difficulty bending down or squatting. These challenges create significant barriers to maintaining cleanliness, especially for older adults who live alone. Well, there are many vacuum cleaners and robot swiper on market today, but actually none of these devices can efficiently handle three-dimensional cleaning tasks in home environment. This presents a significant market opportunity. According to our interviewees, maintaining a clean home is essential for them. This is often due to needs like cooking or pet care. However, current automated solutions struggle to clean effectively in areas such as table, cooktops, and cabinets.
First, our design consists of an arm cleaner, a base vacuum cleaner, and a waste disposal station. We have fully utilized stress drains to create a modular cleaning system. It's not just a product, it's a solution we developed after closely observing user behavior and understanding their needs. Based on the observation and user feedback, we decided to feature two containers on the arm cleaner, one for detergent and the other can be used for alcohol or water, designed for cleaning tough spots like kitchen and bathroom. For example, it tackles stove grease by spraying detergent to break it down, scrubbing and vacuuming the residue, then rinsing with water for final clean. The process is flexible based on user preference. The cleaning base powered by Stretch cleans the floor as the robot moves around and doesn't mess with any Stretch current functions. For bigger bits of trash, the arm can just swipe them onto the floor and the base vacuum will suck them up. It got an interfered light, depth camera, and RGB camera to gather data and give user real-time feedback. This way, you can jump in and handle more complicated cleaning situations at your home if you need to. This idea is inspired by Henry's story. Even though Stretch is an automatic robot, but we can still provide manual control to those who want autonomy. The cleaning is all done, a magnet pops up from the storage unit and attached to the base vacuum cleaner. It then transfers the collected trash into the waste disposal station. The trash gets stored in a 5-liter container, so you won't have empties so often, make things a lot easier for you. In the end, with Home Hygiene Plus can comprehensively help Stretch older adults with home hygiene challenges, and we can't wait to begin our development next spring. Thanks for watching.